part 2. We had to order a new part for the Goodman. So stay tuned. Gonna take it apart. Gonna take these screws off. Then remove the cover. I gotta remove the indicator screws. Like, just take those screws off. There's one under there. Gotta pull the hose for the pressure valve switch off. Stay tuned. I like to use the extension with the drill, so much faster. See? There we go. Then block the wires. Now the old one is out. See? Now you gotta put the new one in. That's the new one. Now put back the new one. See? Just make sure you can put everything back. Then the ground wire is tight. Put the hose back. Then I'll go turn the thermostat on. Now it puts the switch on. The indicator is on. Now I got a flame going. It's just exciting. Yay. Now the blower is on. Thanks guys. We'll see you on the next one. Bye.